Welcome to Livewire Melapu. This is Tejesh. In this video section, we are going to see about how to create blocks, boundaries, as well as diagrams. Okay. Before going to that, first we are going to see about how to create blocks. Okay. For that, I am taking an example of a rectangle. In this part, I created a rectangle. Next to that, I am placing circle, okay, to create some blocks or symbols. Okay, after placing all the blocks and the symbols, like a rectangle as well as circle, now I am going to create a block. You already know that the AutoCAD will be working based on command section. Okay, in this command section I am going to give an input as blocks. While I'm giving blocks, before going to the blocks, I need to select my objects. Here having two objects. First one is rectangle, second one is circle. I want to choose the entire object. Then going to the command prompt, I make it as name as blocks, blockers or blocks. Next to that, I need to pick any selected point in that object. After that, I'm going to select all my object. What I am going to create my block. Okay, next after that I am going to give open in block data because I need to give some tag. Okay, tag means you note that some inbuilt specifications, that is known as tag. For that I am giving blocks, for example BLK. Okay, in that BLK we can give our variable inputs. Okay, so what I'm giving tag as BLK. In that BLK it is considered as block. Okay, we can place in anywhere in that object. After that we need to save that block, then close the block editor based upon the specified diagram. If I create a click anywhere in the object, now you can see that rectangle as well as circle as considered as each block. These blocks are saved as a temporary in insert section. While you are going to any insert section, you will see that it is already stored as a temporary symbol or block. Okay, now we can give that name specification as tag. Now I'm giving 28. It is a 28th block. Okay, based upon the specification, you can give any block as your reference. Okay, now I'm giving 27. Based upon the input, you can give any block sections. If I delete here also, you can again go to, it is a, again I want to say that something, it is a temporary savage. These blocks are you only used in single diagram. Okay, if you want to save this as a permanent, you can go to, there will be having separate command like tool palettes. Okay, then you want to unblock this object, means there will be having like explode. This explode you can use it to unblock both circle as well as rectangle in this. Okay, now I am going to delete. If I wanted to make it as a permanent, means I am going to take it as a tool palette. Okay, in command section, then I am going to tool palette. In the tool palette they'll be having lot of symbols that created by a user. Okay, you just go to the tool palette. Here you can create your own folder as new palette. After creating new palette, you can give that the name of the palette is blocks. After creating blocks, you just needed to save the specified object. After creating, you just needed to drag and paste in tool palettes. If you want, once you place that tool palettes in a object, then it will be considered as permanent diagram. Okay, you can use it for any diagrams. You can use this block as a permanent. Okay, next thing we are going to see here is boundary. You know that already what is boundary. Boundary is nothing but we just needed to take a specified path. I am selecting here as a specified path as this area. combination of both rectangle as well as circle. I'm just tapping. Now you move, then enter, then I can take it as a separate as boundary. This specified path is also known as boundary path. In further videos, we can see a detailed report in AutoCAD Electrical. Okay, this is considered as a boundary. This boundary can take only in blocks, not in other objects. This will be work only in blocks. Okay, whether it has a temporary or permanent blocks, you can use this as a boundary. Okay, this is considered as AutoCAD Electrical. Generally, CAD is nothing but computer aided designing and drafting. We can create our electrical diagrams via this AutoCAD Electrical software. Thank you.